Hi, I'm Barisia and welcome to Motographer channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I actually lubricate my chain and clean my chain for my motorcycle. If you want to know how I do it, keep watching. I understand that lubricating your motorcycle chain can be such a hassle. So especially when we are in Singapore, we actually stay in HDB, our bikes are in the multi-story car park. So I have lots of feedback that that most riders are having so much hassle that they just not loop their chain, or they loop their chain like once in a blue moon. So there are three things that happen that actually make you don't feel like lubricating your chain. One, you need a friend with you to help you pull up your bike so that you can loop the chain and get this going. So if you don't have a friend, the next thing you need to have is a main stand for the motorcycle. And not all bikes have main stand for motorcycle. They might be even too heavy. So that's going to be another problem. So in a way, okay, you just think, I think the oil should be there for a while, so I think I don't loop today. And then it starts getting rusty. The third one is when you have your paddock stand, and paddock stands are not small, they are actually quite big. They are very big, they are bulky, and if your multi-story car park is quite a distance away, you don't even feel like doing anything. So yeah, so in this video I'm going to show you step by step on how I actually handle the lubricating, the cleaning, and also cleaning up after that, because we are sharing the car park. We do not want anyone to slip and fall, or when they park their bike at the lot that you're using, they side stand out, they slip over, because that is quite common in shared car parks. So in this video, I'm going to share about that. So let's get to it.
Okay, what you need is a spray bottle, a bottle of kerosene, a funnel, a car jack, and of course a chain brush, newspaper, and the WD-40 degreaser. Okay, first step is to put the kerosene into the spray bottle. Okay, remember to label the bottle, and at the same time please do not smoke while doing this because it's flammable. And the next step is to put the jack just below your exhaust area, that is between the rear wheel and the side stand. So you just jack it up so that it will lean to one side and lift your rear wheel. So as long as the rear wheel can move, that's good enough. You do not need to jack up real high. As for sports bike, on my Ducati, I put the jack at the cat area. So I will just jack up from there. Same thing, apply. And I jack it up just enough for my wheel to move. Next is to put the newspaper just below the chain area and spray the kerosene onto the chain to loosen the grime. Kerosene is the cheapest and the best solution to dissolve grime and dirt in your chain. These dirts can rub against your O-rings within your chain and wear them out faster. Use the chain brush you can easily get in a bike accessory store, and do not use brushes with metal bristles as they will damage your chain. And repeat the steps till you find that your chain is clean enough. As you can see from the circles, that all my dirt is actually dripping out of my chain, so you can see how much dirt there is, especially in my front sprocket as well. Next step is use a rag or a used cloth to wipe off the excessive kerosene. Next step is to loop the chain. Do take note that to loop at the edge, not at the center of the chain. The edge is where all the O-rings are. Next is clean up. Use paper towel to wipe off all the excessive oil on the oily floor. And use the WD-40 degreaser or the brake cleaner to spray over the oily area and wipe again with the paper towel. You may also spray the degreaser over your rim to take away the grease and oil that might drip off onto your rim, so you can clean it as well.
Alright, there you have it. So it's not much of a hassle, as you can see. It is like something that you can actually save your chain, save your money, and save your time. So as you can see, that actually you need to do this not really that frequently, but when it's raining during that week, the lubricant tend to be washed off by the rainwater and all this. So usually by the end of the week, when it's not raining, the next day I would actually lubricate it. If it's not raining for the next 2 weeks or so, I would just see and check, because that with massive riding and you have been using the bike for a long time, yep, there will be, the lubricant might also wear off. So I would just see. If not, I will just leave it as it is. One thing to note, do not overloop. When you overloop, it leaks right to your tires, and there you go, you know. So I won't recommend that. So hope you like this video, and for my next video I'm going to share about how to do routine maintenance check on your bike, so your bike will be always in tip-top condition for you to ride. So see you in my next video.